Hello guys, it's been a while since my last video, mostly because I have a 4-month-old which I have to take care of, and I work during weekends, so practically there is no time for me to make any new videos. Before I left on my vacation with my family in the middle of August, I got the package from BUXOM with their new lip products, which I was excited to try, but I couldn't because I didn't have time at all. So first thing when I came back home, I wanted to try it and to give you my thoughts on this product, but I got sick and again I had to postpone this video. But here I am making the review for the new lip product by BUXOM Cosmetics, which is PILLOWPOUT Creamy Plumping Lip Powder, which looks like this. To open it, you just have to twist the cap, and here is the sponge with the product on it. So the main product is built into the cap. BUXOM came out with 10 shades of this product, and the idea behind this was to create the blotting pout kind of effortless lips. So the product doesn't have to be applied perfectly, which makes it very easy for any girl, any woman to apply this product on their lips and looking just flawless and beautiful. And the sponge looks like this, gives you the 360 application and makes it very easy to apply and to kind of make it look more natural without, you know, the precise line. And by the way, right now I'm wearing the 2 shades which are Cozy Up and Spoil Me just in the center of my lips, which gives me the kind of dimensional lips. But as you can see, I don't have any precise lines, so it's just effortless. So the product has semi-matte finish and full coverage if you need it, because you can apply as many layers of the product as you need. To reload the product onto the sponge, you just have to kind of twist it again and open it, and the product will be on the sponge again. Some of you may seem that it's just too hard, you know, to twist this sponge into the cap and then to apply it again, but the same thing you do with your liquid lipstick. You just dip it into the product again and again to get the coverage that you want. The formula is very lightweight. I would say it's feathery light because you don't feel anything on your lips, and this is the most amazing part about it, because for those women who hate lipsticks, which I am, this is just perfect. Wet powder technology, moisturize your lips while you're wearing it. Also, it has vitamin E in it, which is also amazing. And again, there are plumping peptides in the product, which BUXOM Cosmetics is famous for. Makes your lips kind of tingling and plumps them. I will swatch all of the 10 shades of this product so that you can see how they look on the lips. So as you can see, this lip product is amazing. It's lightweight, it applies smoothly, it plumps your lips. The formula is really good, so you just apply it and the sponge moves so effortlessly, so smoothly. You don't feel it on your lips at all. Also, I really like the coverage, though it's just the powder, but it's kind of wet, so it's not matte on your lips. It's kind of creamy and looks really good. This lip powder is supposed to be smudge proof, but what I've noticed is when you apply the lip mask or lip balm onto your lips prior to this lip powder, and then you apply the lip powder on top until the lip mask dries, you can smudge the product off your lips, but you can definitely skip the lip mask. So my final verdict is that I really love this product, especially for this is so comfortable to wear, like extremely comfortable. You don't have to be precise with it, you just have to, you know, to go over your lips, and that's it. So hopefully you liked all of the 10 shades that I swatched for you guys. And by the way, this makeup look was done with the products from BoxyCharm subscription box for September, and actually this box was amazing. I literally liked all of the products in it, and they are so cool. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really hope that you will like the video and you will give me thumbs up. Thank you so much, and see you all guys soon. Bye bye.